Yep.
Hang on a second.
My stickfight last series is mostly just us messing around, like just fighting.
Adam, you have a lot of static right now.
It's like, is that better? Did that work?
Yes, it worked. There's no more static.
Stickfight the fools. Stickfight. The game is a video game where you have to master combat to win games, or you button mash like you've just installed Street Fighter. The game looks simple, and it is. But if you take that extra step, you can learn everything to master the game and win all the time. If someone doesn't get a snake shock and it instantly spams it, but who cares?
Yeah, that's true. Snake shotguns are the most instantly spammed gun in the game. It's proven. Right next to the laser rifle. Bob just looked like his arms were made of gelatin.
Dude, this guy's... Yeah, this guy actually seems really good about the game.
Stickfight Labs pistol episode. Yes, I know. We've tried this and failed. Or we said we were gonna do this. Oh, dude, we never got the sword aired. We should do the sword now.
The sword... No, let's be honest. We're gonna try it. It's not gonna work halfway through the video. Then we're gonna have to change it over to Prison Minecraft.
Yep. Yeah, you're probably right.
Thought so.
Hang on a second. Weapons.
Oh my!
You killed Bob! And that was a very awkward position you put him in. How did you beat
Dude,
you?
achievement unlocked! Dude, achievement unlocked. Your Kung Fu is strong.
You killed somebody in midair with a kick? Haha! Yep. Did I do it? I killed Bob. I accidentally let Bob die, and his position is just like, oh, you let me die. And you just looked like you were falling.
Ow. Whee!
Oh! He caught it! It was just...
Disarm to headshot to body shot.
Yes, I know.
That's
perfect, right? Get in the thing! Die!
wow.
Picks up every pistol that shows up. Shoots it once, throws it. No, Bob! Oh! I knew I was about to fall, so I recruited Bob to save my life. Oh!
That was honestly sick.
Yes. I just got launched off by lag, and I just threw it at you. You died. Oh, I missed. Oh God, what have I done? I know.
Bob! I got achievement unlocked. Double kill. Dude, I've already gotten 2 achievements.
I have like 10 already. In one round, in one match, I got 10. Or not one match. In like one game that I was playing, I got 10.
Ow!
That gun was on a straight course for my face.
Yeah.
To be honest, if I hadn't shot you, you would have won.
Achievement unlocked. Headshot.
I'm terrified right now. There we go. I'm not terrified anymore. I did it.
Look,
Oh, I
I
forgot.
did it.
I forgot to put up the green screen for the stick fight thing. What just happened? Hang on a second. My
I like
keyboard
how we don't
controls.
make any commentary at all. Like we're just playing normally.
Yeah. Hang on a second.
Bob win. He was in a fiery pit explosions.
Exactly. Okay,
Well, I
my
guess
controls are working normally now. The keys were getting stuck, and I kept on not being able to move.
What?
Wow! Wow! Wait, what happened on your screen?
I fell.
On my screen, you fell.
No. I really wanted fun, so I chased after them.
You just... Did you see how quickly I got up there, though?
No!
That did way too much knockback, or that did way too much knockback.
To be fair, I haven't played this game in a while.
It's fair. Neither have I. Oh! Oh, crap. Bob narrowly... Oh. I was about to say, Bob narrowly escapes. But he didn't. He died. What's happening? Someone is loading? Okay. Who's loading? Is it you, Adam? I'm not loading. I know I'm not. It better not be me. Better be Adam. If it's gonna be anybody, it's gonna be Adam.
No. Ow. Oh.
Bob! How are you alive? Okay, Adam, I'm gonna need you to share your screen so that I can make sense of what's happening. Okay, I'm gonna share my screen. You share yours. Okay, thank you. Wait, why am I even... I keep thinking you have a second monitor.
Ow.
You just drop dead. Wait, no, this is a Bob level.
Oh, yeah.
You just drop dead.
I like how that's the one Bob level. Oh, God. Oh, God, I'm stuck up here with you.
You're gonna die. Look what I've done.
I like how Bob is always the one. Bob is
Exactly.
always the one.
Ah!
Oh, you died. Bob, you died. Bob, you died. Bob, you died. Bob, you died.
Vicatory.
How? What? How?
I saw that on your screen. I was confused as well. But what had happened was I shot you and you died.
No! I reacted too slow.
Ah! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh.
You touched that laser.
I escaped!
You touched that laser.
I did! I saw that! I was like, wait, what? That's why I was freaking out. Wow, Bob, you died immediately. Like, you didn't even wait to die. You just died that second.
Wait.
What are you doing? Adam.
Yeah.
I
What?
had-
I was up here on my screen.
I saw that, but on my screen, I shot down the gun, and I caught it and killed you with it. And you were just floating there in midair.
That's stupid. Why?
But on my screen... Hey, Adam. But on my screen... Now you know how it feels. What is Bob doing? He's just skating! Human shield. Thank you, Bob. Oh. I know what Bob's doing now. Oh! You just caught it! Killed me. Thank you, me. hit you. That was a direct hit. No! No, in my screen it showed me like it showed the gun in my hands and then I died.
But on my screen,
Dang it! I didn't think you'd actually be able to make a comeback with that. I know it's your catchphrase, but along with "Get down, Mr. President."
yeah.
I was gonna name the faction "Get down, Mr. President."
Achievement unlocked. Killing spree.
Oh, dude, I got unstoppable. I think actually, I'm pretty sure it was godly. Hang on, let me check. Let me check the thing, the achievements.
Well, you said let me check, then you proceeded to pretend to be AFK.
Okay, Steam, where is it? I got the, I got Wicked Stick, kill 10 in a row without dying. And I got these in succession. There was Killing Spree, 4 in a row, 5, Dominating, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. No! You killed Bob! You monster! Oh my god, they killed Bob! Wait, how was I over there on your screen? Why was I just got decapitated on your screen? I love it when there's glitches like that. Yes! No! You cannot possibly survive this! I just shot myself somehow. Somehow I just shot myself.
How?
I body slammed into you on my screen.
Dude, I was up here, you were down here, and then I just died.
I know, I saw it. I was like right there in the middle. Like right here, and you were over here, and then you died on your screen.
I guess on your screen.
Yep, on my screen. Bob just punched you in the face. Or not, well, he punched you in a rather low spot. Oh, did you see that though? No, Bob! You threw him to these slightly adorable snakes. What just happened?
Ow.
You just glitched through the floor.
So I was here and then...
You teleported!
So I was here and then I was just there.
I know, you teleported.
At this moment, he
Like a second.
he fucked
That...
Oh. Nice. Yes! Yes! No, the ice! You didn't die? No, 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 no. Dang it. Bob, this is all your fault. God, it's all Bob's fault. He's his own character. Bob is his own character. It's all his fault.
How dare you blame anything on Bob? Oh my god! I was pressing the W key!
I hate it when that happens. When you're on a block, but you can't jump. But there was no block there on my screen.
Why don't they call it W instead of W?
Exactly. I mean, sometimes for some people write it like the lowercase form. Some people write it actually like two
It
U's
was at
stuck
this moment
together,
he knew.
such as I,
He fucked up.
such as me.
So like that?
Yeah, like that. Oh god! Oh, I forgot about this map. I hate it. I hate that map so much. It's so disorienting. You go to jump and then they it's like up. Well, not slightly. More like rapidly.
Oh god.
Yeah, not God, but you know.
I pressed the F key whenever I was here! You were here, I pressed the F key to throw it, and now apparently I throw it. The freak.
On my screen, I got hit in the head. I don't know how I'm still alive.
Yeah, and on my screen, apparently I threw it from here.
No, Bob!
The classic blame Bob.
Dang it. No, 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 no. Come on, come on, come on. No!
Dude, that...
You shot me. Adam, you shot me in the spot. Like you hurt me. You hurt me really badly.
I didn't shoot you there. I threw it to there.
Why would you throw it there? That's extreme. That's even worse.
Exactly.
I mean, it's not worse, but you know, it's almost worse. Dies.
I threw that to instantly grabbing me in the head.
Well, you know what? The viewers are gonna get base boosted. The memes will be base boosted when I edit this. Once I figure out how to edit my intro into this video, I'll be golden. I'll be
Once
golden.
I figure out how to actually do things, I'll be great.
No, but seriously, I have an intro and then like it's already set up. Oh, remember that one time that I was just juggling Red with the shotgun?
No, that was me. I was juggling you with a shotgun.
No, that was me juggling Red. He was a random player, and he was like, "Why are you doing this to me? I'm still dead." No, you don't. You can't beat a bomb.
I thought you meant like whenever we were.
You did it to me once.
Like, right here.
You did it to me after the fact. Like you did it to me after that. After I did it to them. The next time we played that map, I think. What? How are you? Oh.
I like how much a bullet did to that. It went from here to here, flipped it over. One bullet.
Yeah. I mean, it is.
Oh!
How did that happen? What? That was perfect.
So I went to reflect it back at Bob, right? And I reflected it and said reflected it back a little bit, and it hit the ice above Bob.
No, you killed Bob. How did I do that?
How did you not die from that? So
I know, right?
dead.
Usually when you touch any ice that's actually broken, it kills you. Why are you making that noise?
It's allergies, sorry. I'm
That
sorry,
was-
dude. It's
fine.
allergies.
It's fine. It happens to all of us. But, you know, for the record, what are you allergic to? I might need to poison you later.
Some dogs and peanuts.
I've been hit. I just got hit straight in the neck with a gun.
So yeah, I'm allergic to some dogs and some types of nuts.
That just reminded me of a stand-up comedy that I watched. It was Never Don't Give Up by Kevin something. I don't know, but it was hilarious. He was talking about people with nut allergies, and he was like, okay, if college students driving by on a nearby highway throw a peanut shell out of the window, and the dust from said shell makes its way over here, and I inhale that dust, I will explode! And you... I will explode! He was so dramatic about it.
I will explode!
Oh my god, that was amazing. I freaking love that. What?
Lag! I call banter! Banter! Banter!
Ban him.
Banter!
Banter?
Lies! That's lies.
Okay, I do want to see how many rounds a bullet, or how many rounds one of these things has. I was doing something.
So that's
Okay.
2, that's
2,
3, that's
3,
4, that's
4,
5.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 rounds.
So wait, I want to test something. So that's 1, that's 2. That's 3, 4.
15 is a pretty reasonable number.
And I grab it, and I throw it and grab it, and then I have all my...
Oh, I love that glitch. It's the best. I love that freaking glitch. Wait, why am I Bob? Crap, I just killed Bob by accident. How did I do that? And then my character does a little action pose when you fall down and you're just like... Okay, when you watch the video, you'll see. But it actually looked like my character was like an A. He turned into an A. I just shot you down there. That was
coming for your head.
It was. I saw it.
Coming for your head.
I saw that. I was like, "Oh God, I'm dead." And then you fell down. Like your character finally gave up.
Oh no.
Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God.
Hey, dude, press F to reload.
Oh my God, I remember that. I remember that. And remember when we were trying to troll that one guy? He was like, "Okay, press F to get the most overpowered gun in the game." And then he fell for it. He threw his weapon away from him, and then I just stabbed him with a sword. This video has been running for 20 minutes, by the way.
I hope that would hit. Hint it didn't.
Ah!
Great throw, mate.
I almost dropped my croissant. Stop! I could have dropped my croissant.
What was the most traumatizing experience you had in there?
Dropping my croissant.
My hot pocket. No, I dropped my hot pocket. Remember that whole thing?
I don't even remember that, but it's still hilarious because of the way you said it.
I dropped my hot pocket.
I killed you. How are you still alive? What?
Please explain how you went there then jumped off of thin air.
On my screen, none of the chains were broken.
Wait, I want to test something. I want to do something cool, please. Look.
No, you're not gonna do that. That's not allowed.
No. Will this kill us?
It will.
Jeez. That is brutal. So if you get to destroy both of those, then you're basically just dead.
I'm sorry, Bob, but I must leave you.
Bye.
Oh God. Oh God. No! I should not have left Bob. He had full health.
Yeah. Ow!
How did you die?
So I went to come and hit you, right? And then you hit me back. I went here, bounced off. I tried to go back here. I accidentally jumped off that, bounced off, and then died.
So you essentially just hit the lava.
Yeah, I hit it. Or you hit me twice. I hit the lava. I went off of that by accident, wall jumped, and then the lava again.
Lit. Happens to the best of us, though. Doesn't it all? Or doesn't it always? Yeah, you're all the way back there, huh? You should have thought about that! You should have thought about that! I love how it's always like a battle to the death. How did I win? I was in the hole, or I was in the bottom. I fell.
I don't know. I don't know.
Just destroys the whole map.
Did you see that though?
You went flying in the air.
Falling, I jumped, or I threw the gun, or I grabbed it here. I threw the gun, and then bounced off of it, and I went, right, like instantly.
Did you just say? And I went 2.
Yeah.
that was the best sound effect ever.
GG.
I might need that sound effect. Just record that sound, sir. Okay. 2. Get out of here with your little. Did you see that though?
Good luck.
No. You cannot shoot Bob.
By the way, you're doing it wrong. It's 2.
2.
No, you're screaming it. It's just a silent little
2. I freaking love that.
Go.
Come on up here.
Okay.
What? How did you do that? The weapon just disappeared. Like, without a trace. You're done, son.
Get down, Mr. President. No.
You're done, son. Goodbye.
Get down. Get down, Mr. Trump. Pulls out two M16s. Never mind. Literally what just happened.
Yeah.
That laser gun is honestly equivalent to M16.
Like a loser.
Like, I feel like we don't even need to do a Stick Fight Labs episode on that. But we should, just because it's overpowered. No, 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 no!
If you're wondering how I killed you so fast, I broke the ice above you earlier in the round. Going right.
I love how I just go with the laser. No! Dang it. I don't know what I was expecting to do.
Even if you did, I was about to shoot to death, and I would have kept you over there until the laser came.
Get that out of here with your little gun. I died. You want to fight? We already won. You already won. Go on. Go under there. Dang it! No! It wasn't supposed to be like that! What? How did I die? Why is it still up on your screen?
1 second. Here.
Okay.
Boy!
That was the most miserable failure you'll ever see. Boy! I can't even do that right. I'm sorry, Bob. Did you see how gingerly he died? He just... Jesus Christ! I just wanted to get the thing down to the bottom. How did that hit me? That actually hit me on my screen. Don't shoot yourself with it. Those things are... Shoot it. Try shooting me.
I can't grab it.
Oh yeah, by the way, you weakened your health by like 75% by shooting yourself accidentally with that. That was awesome! Did you see that?
Yeah.
I just punched everybody off within a matter of seconds. Get over here! Ow, that hurted a lot.
Did you see that? Dude, I shot you, I jumped, or shot you again, I jumped off your body, then I went like that and shot you.
You did. Ow! No, Bob narrowly escapes. He kills Adam! For killing. I wish there were health bars. That would be so useful.
Hey, I got another achievement.
Then again, health bars would also be annoying because you couldn't play dead.
Yeah.
Oh god, he's got a goon. Oh, I killed him with the goon. Did I shoot Bob to death?
Mm-hmm.
I wish you could damage the snakes.
Yeah, I know, right?
Damaging the snakes would be really nice.
No, the snakes should have health bars.
Yeah, hang on.
We are in critical danger here, folk. Critical danger.
Oh! Oh no! Oh no! What have I done?
Walkover. Another achievement. That was sick.
What was sick?
So you shot me, right?
I didn't shoot you. I punched you into the wall.
Well, you punched me again. I hit the wall, and then I just wham.
Oh god, I forgot they added snakes to this equation.
Snake Irvin.
Stick Irvin. It's Stick Irvin.
Is that a reference to?
No idea.
Where'd the thing in the middle go?
What thing in the middle? You mean this thing in the middle? Wall banger.
Go.
You just wallbanged me. When I was on the thing, you wallbanged me. Hey,
What's
do
that mean?
you have Warframe? You shot through the wall.
No, I don't have Warframe. Sorry.
Guess who's alive? This
That
guy.
should've killed you.
It
That
should have.
killed you.
It should have, but it didn't. Hang on, let me just eat the snowflakes.
Yum. Kill the snowflakes.
Eat the snowflakes! How are we both still alive?
We both should have died there.
Exactly, I was about to say, how are we both still... There we go. I just had to wait for it.
Hey, do you like animating?
I wish I could animate. I don't know how. I'm not good at it. I'm not good at drawing and things like that.
Oh, no. I mean, like, there's this animating software called Pivot Animator. I actually use it for all of my animations, right? And it consists of just stickmen, right? But you can animate the stickmen's joints because it already gives you stickmen that are pre-made, right? And you can animate the stickmen's joints, but you can also edit the stickmen so you can make them have like little swords for arms and stuff. And if you hold down control, I actually found this out recently, you can stretch their limbs.
Yeah,
So you can have a guy with powers that can stretch his limbs across the entire area. It's really fun.
Dude, have you done, have you watched any of those stick tournaments with where the stickmen have powers? What just happened?
I've actually been trying to make one of them.
I know, right? Those things are so freaking cool. Like, my favorite one is the one where there's like the final two contenders are water and ice. And they just can't beat each other, so they give up.
Wait, is that cheese cruds or no?
I don't know.
Oh.
What does WP even mean?
I'll send you one after this. Oh, WPE, well played, everyone. Right?
I guess. No, just.
Because WP means well played.
Oh,
so.
okay. What is GG? Oh, GG no rematch. Okay, I get it now. I failed! I failed! You're about to fail.
By the way, I just made up the WP thing. I know that WP actually stands for well played though, so that's what I'm guessing.
Bob was just about to fall off. If you had held in there just a few seconds longer.
Seriously?
Yeah, Bob was just about to fall off.
Boing, boing, boing.
No!
Literally my life. Boing, boing, boing.
Exactly. Mine too. It's horrible. I hate it.
Actually, so you know how people would say this is the fastest way to get to spawn, right? Well, it's actually by doing that.
No! Oh, I grabbed the remote instead of the... Yeah. The controller. I grabbed the remote and turned down the volume a little.
Oh, God. Oh, that's great. That's amazing.
Instead of grabbing the controller and beating you up with Bob.
You just start controlling the background. You just start moving things around with your mind, like, ah!
Just deleting everything.
Yeah. Why is the screen blurry?
Why was I getting beaten around with teleporting people? You were teleporting and just beating me around. I'm sorry, Bob, but it has to be this way.
You shot him on my screen and the Bob just stood up like, are you kidding me? Like, how dare you defy me?
Did you see what he was? Did you see where he was though? You were in that laser. I saw that.
Dude, I got an achievement called
Yeah, I know. I got that one already too.
That's a fun achievement. I think there's an achievement for getting crushed.
Is
I'll
there?
let you.
There isn't an achievement for getting crushed. I saw the achievements. You're trying to trick me.
Wait, I was actually I said I think so.
Why are you teleporting? How are you there? I just dropped it on you. But on your screen, it was already down.
Yeah. Oh! New skip!
Don't
Ow.
you dare teleport at me. How are you still alive? What? That hit you in the face!
Achievement unlocked. Rampage.
Oh, you won't get to, what's it called? You won't get to the last one. The one where you get 10 kills uninterrupted. My parkour skills are unmatched! Ah! Not in Minecraft, though.
Achievement unlocked. Dominating.
Stop it.
Achievement unlocked. Unstoppable.
No! Don't you dare get that last one.
Genocide!
I did it! I interrupted your streak! I did it!
I still got it, though.
You're at 9, though. You haven't gotten the last one yet. The last one is for 10.
But I killed Bob. I got genocide.
The last one was 10, though. You didn't get that one.
I just got godlike.
Haha!
For no reason.
Really? You got it for no reason? Did you see that? Did you see that escape?
Bob.
Yeah.
Wait, I killed Bob.
Did you see that escape, though? Oh! It shouldn't count as a kill if you knock the other person off.
Yeah, I got godlike.
I know, I saw it.
How dare you defy me?
Oh! I shot you with the last bullet, and you died. Oh, on his screen, he was right here as well. He was here. On my screen, you were right here. I died.
Mine.
How? How are you still up there? On your screen? Ha! 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 Okay. That's 37 minutes. We have to end this episode here. Thank you for watching Stickfight Labs episode, what is it, 5?
I don't know.
Sorry we couldn't...
Episode 127. No. Instead of calling them episodes, should we call them experiments?
Yes!
Experiment 2, experiment 3.
Man, we should... Now we have to rename the videos.
To Stick Labs Experiment Episode 1 or Experiment 1.
I clicked out of the game. Okay, guys, that's gonna be it for this episode. Goodbye.